Sir, Amity University has contributed towards the thought process and research in the country a lot. In the near future, how do you think Amity University is going to contribute towards the Indian space mission?
Amity University as a group have focused on research and innovation, and the whole pedagogy, the method of delivery and the research and development is the focus in all our Amity group of institutions, including our schools. Space has received a tremendous focus now today in Amity group, and we are doing 5 major programs with us. In addition to capacity building, churning out the future leaders in space science and technology, we are doing hardcore frontline research using artificial intelligence. One of the projects which is sponsored by Indian Space Research Organization is to assess the health monitoring of the spacecraft when it is going to a long sojourn up to Mars, for example. So how do you monitor the health and send the data transmission on the real-time health monitoring of the spacecraft? One important project. The second one, sponsored by ISRO, is on the debris management, because you have a lot of debris floating around in space which is detrimental for future space missions. So ISRO has given a major project to Amity University to look at how do you identify, even if it is 0.1 millimeter, a small debris in space which could be detrimental to the future space missions. So we are developing the artificial intelligence based platform to assess not only the debris but also the nature of its debris, so that we will be able to assess the characteristics. And the third one is the first biological payload from India into space is going from Amity University. We are sending a callus of a vegetable plant which is stevia, and also a bacteria. So these payloads have been communicated to Indian Space Research Organization. They are looking at its compatibility to integrate it with the PSLV launch. So this is a very important mission. Then we are also developing a AI-based coastal security using the AI platform, in which we have developed an AI algorithm, artificial intelligence algorithm, which will be able to discriminate the behavior of the boats. Because there are so many naval ships, maritime boats, and big and small the fishing boats. So how do you identify the one which carries the one which is antisocial, narcotics or a weapon or an antisocial element? So we are able to look at the behavior of the boats using the AI platform. This is what we have displayed over here in this. So this is a project sponsored by TDF, Technology Development Fund, to Amity University, and Shivani Verma and the Professor Prasad are the investigators. So this is looking at 4 characteristics for identifying a person. And similar thing we'll be doing for the boats as well. The first one is the occluded vision, the skeletal configuration, the gestures, and also the gait. So using these 4 physiological parameters, we are able to identify a person. Similar thing is going to be used in the behavior of the boats. So we are doing a lot of research. Then another important project, again ISRO project, which Amity University is executing, is on how do you identify the data transmission coming from existing satellite to ground station, and the influence of ionospheric and stratospheric, the changes which occurs in those due to the ionic fluxes, how will it interfere with the data transmission from satellite to ground station. So these are many things, which exciting things, research and development activities which Amity universities are doing, and we want to intensify this. So Indian Space Association, we would like to build a strong partnership. We are an academic partner with ISRO, and so we would like to expand and deepen this relationship, and we would like to partner. And founder president Dr. Ashok Chauhan has announced the Amity Space Mission. Amity Space Mission to be a major player in research and development from private sector coming into the Indian space research arena.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so very much for the contribution towards the Indian space program. Thank you.
Pleasure talking to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.